Hey guys, Justin here from JJ Gaming. Today we're going to be playing some Pixel Car Racer. I bought a new car. It's a Civic hatch with purple wheels. Or no, it's purple with red wheels. And it's pretty fast. I think you could say that. It's not like the fastest car in the game, but for a level 5 player, it's pretty dang fast. Now, of course, I'm not going to be able to afford anything like a GTR or anything. I bought this car because it's literally the cheapest one in the game, and, I mean, it's not bad looking. And it's front-wheel drive, which means good launch, kinda. So, yeah. And it's not slow. Like, it's definitely not slow. I tried recording this video, a few times before this, and I've ran into ads both times. Racing a CRX. I know a guy who has a CRX and he's awesome. His CRX is awesome too. Okay, we're doing good. Yeah. This car, I think, is kind of overpowered. Ooh, we got a 9-second flat. Like, 9-second perfect. Oh, I gotta screenshot that. Okay. That was awesome. We're gonna go over to the parts store and purchase. I don't know. Should we get springs or I don't know. About yeah, I guess we can get that and go apply it. Well, that looks alright. I like that. Okay. Got like black on the bottom, orange in the middle, and white on top. Okay. Oh, that I think it's a Genesis. Yeah, Genesis looks nice. Come on, shift up. That wasn't a very good run. Because we had a bunch of stuff getting in the way, like the little record button over here was on top of my clutch button, so I couldn't launch properly. Oh boy. NSX, okay. I don't know quite how powerful this NSX is, but I hope it's not that powerful. Yeah, we won. I like this car because it's so quick off the line and it's super cheap. And it's pretty, like, it's not bad looking. With the right parts and wheels and stuff. Ooh, we got a crate. Alright, let's go open the crate. Ooh! What is that? Ooh. Okay, I gotta screenshot that. Ooh, that's really good. It's got a purple star, which I think means, like, legendary or something. We can go check it out in the store. Yeah, that's really good. I don't know where you can get it. I think that's one of the ones that you can only get out of crates, but that was awesome, dude. That's awesome. It looks awesome too. It's got the little purple stripes and stuff. Let's hope we don't get an ad here. Cross our fingers. Alright, we're good. Hot pink / purple-ish RX-8. Going up against the computer Civic. That wasn't a very good launch. We still got 9.1, which isn't not that bad. I mean, we could have done better, but okay. I think we're gonna get up to level 7 by doing a few races, and then end the video. I like this car because it goes up to like 9.5k RPMs. That's awesome. Ooh. Okay.